This video reviews Star Trac Treadmills, replacing the motor control board, or MCB. Troubleshooting that must be done prior to MCB replacement. Step 1. Turn the treadmill off and unplug it from the wall. Remove the front motor cover. Wait about 5 minutes or until the AC light on the center of the motor control board is off. Step 2. Disconnect the speed sensor, data cable, 12-volt DC power supply cable, elevation connection, and incoming power to the motor control board. Step 2A. Using a pair of snips, cut the tie strap that holds the speed sensor cable to the motor control board. Ensure not to damage the speed sensor wire. Step 2B. Remove the motor wire harness and ground wire connection from the motor control board. Step 3. Disconnect the 4 screws that hold the MCB to the chassis of the machine, then remove the motor control board. Step 4. Replace the new motor control board using the previous steps in the reverse order. Ensure all connections are seated fully into the motor control board. Route wires away from moving components and re-tie strap the speed sensor wire to the motor control board. Step 5. Plug the treadmill into the wall and turn it on. Run a motor or speed and an elevation or incline calibration in maintenance mode and ensure the treadmill passes both tests. Thank you. This concludes the Star Trac Treadmill replacing the motor control board video.